watching the video, go ahead and look at the comments below so you guys can learn from others that watch the video as well. And let's just keep it super positive. All right, guys, so let's just get right into the video. All right, so what is a CPN number? And should you get one? Why are they popular? Okay, well, basically, a CPN number is going to be a 9-digit number. Okay, it's going to be very similar to a Social Security or an EIN, and that fact is basically a way that you can be identified to obtain credit. Okay, so I was kind of researching because I heard a lot of taboo about this. Is this actually illegal? It's not illegal having a CPN number, but it can become illegal with what you do with it and how you use it. Okay, now, who has these? Why would somebody want a CPN number? Okay, well, a CPN number is going to be basically, it's going to be there for people that could be a target of identity theft. It could be there for privacy concerns. So, for example, people that would use a CPN number could be somebody like the President of the United States. He could be targeted for identity theft, right? Somebody would love to steal his identity. Members of Congress, high-profile people, ambassadors, CEOs, athletes, professional athletes, celebrities, any high-profile person that people could be had their identity stolen or targeted or things like that, and just need that extra layer of privacy, right? So here's the problem with it, okay? People that have become a member of identity theft also could have one as well. But the thing is they always run back to the main Social Security, right? With CPNs, it's basically almost like how some people use them as it's fraud, where it doesn't link back to the Social Security, and these could be people that are in prison or people that died, and basically it's using that 9-digit number and building an identity around that, like a different name, a completely different profile that you're using to obtain credit, which is fraud. Okay, so if you have a CPN number and it's linking back to your Social Security, that's not fraud. Okay, if you have a CPN number and it's not linking back to your Social Security, and you go and apply for credit and obtain credit using a profile that doesn't belong to you, you could be going to prison. Okay, you could be going to prison for a very long time. Now, there's some people who've never been caught. There's some people that preach about it. If you believe in a CPN and you think a CPN is valid, or for the most part really valid, I would love for you to comment respectfully in the comments. Like, I don't want anybody bashing anybody. I want this to be a community of love and acceptance and learning and growth. Everybody's at different stages. But if you're a big advocate of CPNs, I would love for you to comment why. Because I feel like maybe we could learn something from you, okay? But from what I've gathered, if you're using a CPN that doesn't tie back to your Social Security, it looks like it's fraud to me, okay? You guys comment as well, okay? So how do people get these CPNs, okay? Black market. On the black market, you can buy one for about $3,000 to $5,000. But here's the thing. You're buying it on the black market. What happens if you don't get it and you pay with crypto or you pay with your credit card? You could be scammed. Who are you going to report that to? Hey, police officer, I'm trying to buy another person's identity. Can you please help me out? They took my money and ran, okay? So here's a disclaimer too. Whether you're buying an Instagram, whether you're trying to buy social media verification, you can buy pretty much anything you want to buy on the black market, especially in specific Telegram groups, okay? But when they want you to pay with crypto and there's no third middleman or anything like that, you guys could easily be taken for a joyride and scammed quickly, okay? So I don't recommend this, because even if it was legit, you pay $3,000 to $5,000. What could that do for you with hiring a professional, right? Like a credit specialist or a credit repair company to get your credit taken care of, so that way you can build positive trade lines and just use your actual credit, right? Like I've heard a rumor that like somebody with a great credit score could be worth like $100,000, right? Because you're building history. It's a lot less hoops you got to run through. So if you're gonna pay $3,000 to $5,000 for a CPN, you might as well pay that $3,000 to $5,000 to a reputable credit repair company, somebody that knows the game that can save you a ton of time. And that's a part of the reason why I pay professionals. And I'm not asking you guys to work with me because I'm not actually offering these services. But the thing is I'm all about working with professionals, because if it saves you time and you actually are working with the best, why try to reinvent the wheel and do it yourself when you can get there quicker and then build quicker? So $3 to $5 grand, I would actually literally go to a credit specialist or a professional and say, how can you help me, and how can we build this thing out, and go that way, okay? And also, guys, if you guys watch my channel, I talk about how to build business credit. I tell you how to repair your credit. Like, go through all my playlists and see if there's any information in there. If you guys have questions, comment. I respond to comments. Others respond to comments. This is a community for you, okay? So why do people get them? Like I said, privacy concerns, identity theft, victims get them, people that could be targeted. And they basically, the people that are going to use CPNs, from what I've learned, in a bad way, are people that want to use it to replace them fixing their credit. So in a sense, I want to buy a CPN number. This is not me. I don't want to buy a CPN number, but you get what I'm saying. This person wants to buy a CPN number because they don't want to repair or fix their credit. They would rather have a fresh start, get a new number, get a new identity, get a new profile, and just build under that, and then use that, right? So that's why they do it, okay? What's my opinion on all this? Well, like I said, I would never buy one. I would never endorse anybody to buy one. I don't think you should buy one. And unless there's something I'm completely missing, I don't endorse it. Because the thing is now, like I said, I don't endorse it if you're trying to use it to build credit. If you're having one to protect your identity or things like that, and it's linking back to your social, sure, like whatever you want to do, go have a good time. Let me know if you've done that as well. I want to know from all of you. What do you think about it? Have you had one? What's been your experience with one? Why would you use it in an ethical way? So that way I can learn from you, okay? But anyways, guys, the video's been going on for a long time. Guys, like I said in my last video, I'm dropping videos daily. Like, I'm not joking around. You smash that subscribe button, you guys are going to learn something. I guarantee you're going to get a lot of value. I see a lot of courses sold for thousands of dollars. I've taken a lot of courses for thousands of dollars. I've been around the block. I've been in sales and marketing for a very long time. I'm an out-the-box thinker, entrepreneur, and I'm a big person and doing good and building relationship with people. So like, comment, subscribe to the video. Give me your thoughts on CPNs, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. All of you guys out there, tomorrow is the 4th of July, and I want to thank all of the troops that have fought for our freedom to make this place the greatest nation in the world. All right, guys, salute. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Take care. Peace.